Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with the sheet you need in Act Now. Click the View tab, then Freeze Panes. Choose Freeze Top Row to lock the header row so it stays visible as you scroll down. Alternatively, choose Freeze First Column to lock the leftmost column so it stays in sight when you scroll right. This is efficient because headers and key labels remain anchored versus moving out of view, which reduces errors when you scan long tables. Now you freeze both directions. Select the cell under the rows and to the right of the columns you want fixed, then open View and pick Freeze Panes. Once done, Excel locks everything above and to the left of that cell. This keeps headers and index columns visible together while you navigate the rest of your data. Make sure to pick the correct intersection cell because the selection determines how many rows and columns remain frozen. Finish by verifying your frozen view. If you need to change it, open View and choose Unfreeze Panes, then select a new cell and reapply Freeze Panes. Once done, scroll to confirm the exact rows and columns stay visible. If things go wrong, first check you are on the worksheet itself, not in page layout or a protected sheet. Those modes can prevent freezing, unprotect or switch view, then repeat the steps. That single fix resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.